Welcome to episode 31 of the Lift Archive series. No, this is not a repeat of another episode, but this is another lift at IKEA in Belfast, and it is another massive Schindler lift, but I think it's only half the size of the one outside, outside the car park area. I'm filming one of the lifts in the actual store itself. Enjoy. This is the lift at another lift at IKEA in Belfast. This is the Schindler lift. Down to 0.
Lift going down.
Door close button works. I like that.
Rear doors closing. Lift going down.
Capacity is 25,000 kilos, 33 persons, built in 2007. Copy. Slightly smaller than the last lift, but yeah, you're at 0.
Floor 0. Doors opening.
Slight bumper. Back up to 1.
Lift
Door close button works. I like that.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
We'll be exiting from the other side this time. In other words, this one. Here are 1.
Floor 1. Rear doors opening.
And that's it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.